Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a column chart on your Microsoft Excel web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a column chart on your Microsoft Excel web. So first of all, just click on the insert option, and now you can see option for column option here. So first, then you just need to select this cells that you just need to create a column chart. Then click on this menu, column menu, and you will see a three option called clustered column or stocked column or 100% stocked column. So you can just change whenever you just need it. So I just inserted this column chart. So if you just want to change to this stocked column, just click on this. It automatically changes to stocked columns. Then if you have to format this option, and just double tap here to change and edit the name here, and you will see an option on the side to format. And if you just need to change the color fill option, just click on this. You can see it shows the thing. Now I'm just going to change this fill color to yellow. So I'm just going to change this to purple color, and this to another color called green. Okay. So you can just change the color by using this format option on the side. You can see, click on this format option on the top, so it will shows. And also you can just change the axis, and also if you just need a grid line or not, you can just change to like this. And also if you just need a chart title or not, you can just turn this on, and you can just see as an overlay above. Everything has been customized by using the slide option on the side, which have a data or rows, columns, and also the every values that you can just change. This is how you just insert a column chart on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.